Hello, my dear students. Today I bring a topic for you, articles. Today we are going to learn about articles. Articles means what? कोई चीज, okay? Thing, कोई चीज. Now, which are the articles and what is the word comes in articles? See here. A, and, the. These three words are called articles. Now, where we fill the articles. Now, let's see. First, we will see about A. A. When we use A, see, first very important thing is when the thing is very general. Means it's not very special. It's a ordinary things, okay, general things. That time we are using A. Then we all know in 26 alphabet there are 5 vowels and remaining 21 are consonants. Is it? So A is adding before consonants. And third is when we are talking about any particular things very first time. Now, how to recognize that I will explain you afterward. First see, when the thing is general, then before consonants, and the very first time when we are talking about the things, that time we add A. Then an, an. When we add an, the words begin with the vowels. Before that we add an. Is it? An. Next is the. When we adding the thing is in specific, something special. We are talking about something special things. That time we will be adding the. And next is second time when we are talking about any particular things. Means first A, we are adding A when we are talking first time about that thing, and we adding the when we are talking about same that thing. Now let's see. Okay, as you can see here, A. When we adding A, when the words are begin with the consonants, right? See, a bag, a cap, a gun, a man, a hen, a lion. These all words are begin with the consonants. That time we are adding A, and we are talking about that thing very first time, okay? So that time we are adding A. Then next is an. When we adding an, when the words are begin with the vowels. See, apple, A is a vowel, right? A, E, I, O, U, these are vowels. So apple, A is begin with the apple is begin with letter A. So an apple, we can say it an apple. Before apple we will write an, an apple. Then elephant, here also E is a vowel, so we will say an elephant. Then ink pot, I is also a vowel, so an ink pot, we can say it an ink pot. Orange, O is also a vowel, so vowel O, so an orange, we can say it an orange. Here an umbrella. Now here see, here's exception are there. See, and we can't say an hour. No, here H is a silent. H is a silent word, right? So we are which word we will say first? O. So O is a vowel. So an hour, we will say an hour. Okay. Here H is a silent word. H is a silent word. Okay. Here also an, we can't say honest person. No. Here also H is a silent word. Okay. So again the word will begin with O. O is a vowel. an honest person. Understand? So A we are using when the word is begin with the consonants, okay, consonants, and we are using when the word is begin with the vowels. Understand? Now let's see the when we are using when the thing in specific, some special things we are doing, मतलब वो चीज अकेली है, like it is a one and only, the sun तो एक ही है ना, okay, the sun, the moon. अभी अगर बोलना होगा मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी, तो मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी किसी पर्सन का नाम भी हो सकता है, बट वी आर टॉकिंग हियर द महात्मा गांधी. ओके, तो महात्मा तो वो अकेले थे ना, तो ही इज द वन एंड ओनली, सो दैट्स व्हाई वी आर यूजिंग हियर द. ओके, द इज व्हेन वी आर यूजिंग, व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग समबडी इज a special person. Okay, he is the one and only, the prime minister. So here we are using the before post, we are showing post, the prime minister, he is the post, right? वो एक उस जगह पे है ना, वो prime minister, the prime minister, the capital and the best. अगर हमें the best मतलब कोई खास, किसी के बारे में अगर हम बोल रहे हैं तो वो किसी खास के बारे में बोल रहे हैं. द बेस्ट, ही इज द बेस्ट स्टूडेंट इन आवर क्लास. ओके, तो हम उसके अकेले के बारे में बोलते हैं, तो उसके पहले हम क्या यूज करते हैं, द, व्हेन वी आर यूजिंग द. नाउ एंड नेक्स्ट वी आर यूजिंग द व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग about a noun second time, as I told you, when we are talking about second time. Now let's see. Second time means what? See, here one sentence is there. There was a crow. Now crow, C is begin with a consonant, so I'm using here A, because when we are using when we are talking about the noun first time, right? When we are talking about the noun first time, and the we are using when we are talking about the noun second time. So here I'm talking about the crow one more time, na? Second time, the crow, there was a crow. First time I use A because I'm talking about the crow, okay? But the crow was thirsty. Here I'm talking same crow about second time. About him I'm talking second time, so here I'm using the. When we are talking about that noun second time, that time we are using the. Okay, understand? And when we are talking first time about it, we are using A. Now here one more example. This is a peacock. So peacock, P is a consonant, right? Consonant, we are talking about it first time, so this is a peacock. But again we are talking something about it. The peacock is very beautiful bird, right? Here I'm talking about the peacock, something special. Okay, second time I'm talking about it, so that time I'm using here the. Understand, my kids, my student? I hope you all are understand. Okay, so A we are using when thing is general and before consonants, and very first time when we are talking about it, that time we are using A. We are using and before the word is begin with vowels, okay? And the, when we are using, the thing is in specific and we are talking about second time about it, okay? Understand? I hope you all are understand. Thank you very much.